When passion turns into mastery, the world watches in awe. Every legend is remembered for their extraordinary skill. Never underestimate someone's unique abilities, they might be life-changing. Sometimes, reality is stranger and more amazing than fiction. Those who trust their abilities always leave the world astonished. Everyone has a hidden talent, it's just a matter of discovering it. Believe in your abilities, others may take time to recognize them, but you shouldn't. Success belongs to those who identify and use their hidden talents wisely. Never underestimate yourself, there's a unique spark within you. A person's true strength lies in their hidden abilities, revealed at the right time. Greatness comes to those who acknowledge and refine their unique skills. What makes you different is your greatest power. Every individual has a special talent that just needs to be polished. Recognize your abilities, because they make you stand out from the crowd. When hidden talents emerge, the world is left amazed.